Why did I know you're on this?
You have to give me 48 hours before you arrest or charge Sully Sinclair.
Olivia, I was sleeping.
The U.S. Attorney's Office never sleeps. You told me that once.
I was being sarcastic.
48 hours before you arrest or charge.
Olivia, you don't have the muscle of the White House behind you anymore. You're a regular citizen now, who, by the way, is very annoying.
He's a decorated war hero. He's a patriot. You do realize the blowback you'll get for rushing to judgment on a patriot?
You mean the blowback you'll create?
Well, yes. That's my job.
Are you really naive enough to believe that waking me up in the middle of the night and threatening me is the best way to get what you want?
I wasn't threatening you. He didn't kill her. My gut says he didn't.
Your spidey senses aren't evidence, Olivia. I've been on the phone with homicide. He killed her. He ran.
48 hours before you arrest or charge.
Good night, Olivia.
I can have a reporter out here in 20 minutes with cameras asking why you are persecuting an innocent, handicapped Congressional Medal of Honor winner. Perhaps it's because he's a well-known conservative Republican and you're considering a bid on the Democratic ticket next year? Just to be clear, that was me threatening you.
Okay, you have till morning.
36 hours.
18 hours, that's it.
Sold. Pleasure doing business with you.